that you need to know. If it's an all-risk policy, you need to know what is not covered. Kasi, yun yung lalabas. Yun yung magiging parang caveat niya na, okay, sige, all-risk ako. Pero yung totoo, marami akong exclusion. And that is very, very true. When you look at a phone insurance policy, sasabihin doon, accidental damage and liquid damage covered. Minsan, ini-include namin yung theft but with force, yung theft with force. But, pag tiningnan mo, I'm not sure what page I put that, but when you look at the exclusions, ay parang 2 pages siya. So, it's very, very important that you look at the exclusions. Okay? Okay, covers physical and yun yung ating mga definition. Theft may also be included